Hello my followers. So we're still Bozo in a beret, introduce myself. We're still at Appila Springs, which is sort of northwest of Peterborough in South Australia, and we're really are on the edge of the great Australian wilderness here, not far from the Flinders Ranges and the outback. You know, even to this day, you can get into big trouble in the outback, even with technology the way it is. It's, you know, it's something that you don't take on without a good deal of planning. So we've planned for this, and we'll, even though it may seem a bit like hyperbole, people do get lost out there, and vehicles break down, and you might not see another vehicle all day, so you got to be ready. Anyway, so we're here. Good night, and I'll just show you the view from out to the east. Now, out to the east there, you might be able to see the wind turbines turning in the breeze. Now that is the east coast of the Spencer Gulf, and a lot of that east coast, and it's hundreds of kilometers long, is littered with these wind turbines to take advantage of what we get here. And I've noticed it already, is a very strong land sea breeze cycle, very defined. As soon as the sun comes up, you start to get it, and as soon as the sun goes down, it starts to reverse. So you get a lot of wind here, regardless of the rest of the weather. So this sort of terrain, it's old sedimentary, ancient sedimentary rocks. Of course, we're heading further north from here. So this is the sort of undulating, eroded hills you get in such an ancient continent as Gondwana land. Long before Australia split off from it. Yeah, so there we have it. Now, it's funny that we've got all this windmills and stuff. I'm not sure if I can zoom in. Yeah, I'll try again. Bit cack-handed. Well, there they are. Now beyond that lies the Spencer Gulf, and beyond that lies the Eyre Peninsula, and beyond that lies the Nullarbor, which is the world's longest, flattest road. Well over 100 miles of dead straight, dead flat road. You can see trucks coming at you for about half an hour, especially at night. It's an amazing place, the Nullarbor. To drive the Nullarbor is special. As you're driving west, of course, to the south, you've got the Southern Ocean and massive limestone cliffs. And to the east, you have to the east of that, to the north of that road lies the real true Australian outback, and you just keep heading west and you'll end up in Perth in a few days. Of course, we're headed to the Flinders Ranges, which are about a few hours from here, not that far, and that's tomorrow. But at the moment we're just chilling at Appila Springs, and the flies are intense, absolutely intense, and when the sea breeze cycle kicks in, that's intense as well. But that's why the windmills are there. Okay. To our south is a place called Snowtown, which may be famous to some of you, which is where they found 2 bodies in a barrel of acid in a bank vault. A bit of a story there. I've actually visited that bank. It's now a private residence. Anyway. So there's another little bit of useless information for you all. When we get to the Flinders Ranges, I'll send you some video footage of the magnificent rock formations that are to be found there.